8 square is 64, by square root cancel 113, by 1 minus 7 square is 49 by 113. 113 LCM both in the numerator and denominator. 113 minus 64. 113 minus 49. 113 cancel. So write down the answer. 113 minus 64 is 49. 113 minus 69 is 64. See the answer. This is the simplification. Yesterday I did up to here. Yesterday I explained up to here in detailed way, just substituting the values. So, but before substitution I simplified it. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 square is 1. Sin theta is 8 by root 113 whole square. 8 square 64. Square root cancel 113. 7 square 49. Square root cancel 113. Take 113 LCM in the numerator and denominator. That is the answer. See the simplification. So followed or not, just tell me. Because up to here we did yesterday only this part. Just now we did. Students, followed or not? Kushariguda branch. And one more thing is that the size of the letters, is it visible in your phone or not? That also you can tell. Otherwise I will write big. So same problem I will do half at a time, and after rubbing the board again half. Like that also I will do. Is it visible or not? You just tell me. Can you able to understand the steps or not? That also you tell me. Students, same question, second bit also given, you do it. Write down the second question. Second question. Write down the second question and substitute the values. That's all. Second question is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is here. Cos theta is here. Substitute these values in place of sin and cos and get the answer. Just substituting. 1 is 1 only. Sin theta is 8 by root 113. By cos theta is 7 by root 113. 1 plus sin theta value 8 by root 113. Cos theta value 7 by root 113. Take LCM in the numerator. Take LCM in the numerator. Root 113 into 1 root 113 plus 8 by root 113. 7 by same. This denominator cancel. So answer is root 113 plus 8 by 7 over. That is the answer. This is the second bit. So just we simplify, we got sin theta and cos theta from the given data. So these values are substituted in here and here. Students, those who have missed the yesterday's class, so once again I will explain up to here. because this we completed yesterday itself. So those who have missed yesterday's class, just see. Cot theta value is given in the problem. It is given in the question. Cot theta is equal to 7. Cot COT. Cot is equal to 7 by 8 is given. So I gave the definition for cot. Just refer the definition of cot. Cot is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is equal to 7. Opposite is equal to 8. But generally we don't use adjacent and opposite. We use the symbols AB, BC, AC. What is adjacent side? AB. Opposite side BC. So AB is equal to 7k, BC is equal to 8k. If fraction is given, to get the actual values, we have to multiply it with some constant. You studied in the ratio and proportion. So AB is directly, you can take 7 also. That also same answer we will get. But standard form is AB is equal to 7k, BC is equal to 8k. So we got AB as 7k, BC as 8k. Then this side is not known. So for finding that side, we have Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is a Pythagoras theorem statement. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB is 7, BC is 8. 7 square 49, 8 square 64, k square. 49 plus 64 is 113 k square. If you remove the square, we will get root. Root 113, root 113 only, because root 113 we don't know the value. It is not a perfect square. K square root is k. So sin theta definition is opposite by hypotenuse, 8 by root 113. Cos theta definition adjacent by hypotenuse, 7k by root 113k. K cancel, 7 by root 1. That's it. Write the next problem, 8th question. Students, write the 8th question. Write down in full. I am not writing the complete question here. Just if you look at the board, you can't understand the question and the solution. First, you read the question from the textbook. Read the question from the textbook. See, total exercise, only one model. One trigonometric ratio is given. Find the values of other trigonometric ratios. How many trigonometric ratios we have? 6. Sin theta, sin, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, cot. We have 6 trigonometric ratios. In that, if one ratio is given, we can find the remaining 5. That is the concept. So, on using the same concept, we are solving the problems. Same, that means if you understand one problem, that is enough. So you can do all the problems. Same model, but I am solving each and every problem, not giving any homework. So homework I will give later. Okay. What is given? Tan A. If there is no denominator, what is the denominator? If there is nothing, means we take 1. Actually, same problem. After studying some more formulas, we can do in a simple method that we will study in the next exercise. So in this exercise, as per our formulas, so we will get some lengthy process, but simple process we will get in the next exercise, because that formulas we will discuss later. So what is tan A? Root 3. Root 3 by means, if there is no denominator, take it as 1. Root 3 means by 1. What is tan definition? See the definitions. See the definitions in the notes. Tan definition is opposite by adjacent. See the tan definition. Tan definition opposite by adjacent. In that figure, what is the opposite side? BC. BC. Opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. BC is equal to root 3. Directly we can take root 3, but standard notation is Some multiple we have to take. No confusion. Instead of directly root 3 k, sir. Why we should take like this? Yesterday I explained. AB is equal to 1k. AB is equal to 1k. 1k means k only. See, tan A is given as root 3. If there is no denominator we take it as 1. What is tan definition? Opposite by adjacent. Tan definition, you see. Opposite is root 3. See here, opposite root 3k. Adjacent is 1k. We require this side. How to find that side? Same like previous problem. Whenever in a right angle triangle, if two sides are known, to find the third side, we use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, see here. According to Pythagoras theorem, you write in full, don't write in shortcut. What is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Many times we applied that formula. So, other words, small side square plus small side square is equal to bigger side square. See here. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. What is AB? Root 3k. Don't write. Don't write. Just look at here. BC is 1k. Let's just see the simplification. Square root cancel 3. Root 3 whole square is 3k square plus 1k square. So AC is equal to root of, if you remove the square, this side will get root. 3k square plus k square, 4k square. Root 4 is 2, square root cancel k, 2k. We got the hypotenuse 2k. Hypotenuse is 2k. Following or not? See, same model, same model, no change. What is our question? First question. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now, first question, sin A. Sin A cos A. Sin C cos C. This is a difficult problem. You have to see carefully. First time we are getting some confusion here. So see, I many times I repeated it, but we have not applied it. So there is some confusion here. Don't write anything. First I will explain up to here. Tan is equal to root 3. If there is no denominator, take it as 1. So tan definition is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is AB. So BC is equal to root 3k. AB is equal to 1k. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB is root 3k. BC is 1k. K square. Root 3 whole square is 3k square. 3k square plus k square, 4k square. So removing the square, we will get root. Root 4k square is root 4 is 2, k square can 2k. We got this as 2k over. All sides are known. Now we can find any trigonometric ratio. What is sine? What is sine theta? Sine definition, just look at the sine definition. Sine definition. Sine definition opposite by hypotenuse. See this figure. See this figure. Which angle we are taking? A. A means this angle. This angle. For this angle, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side. BC. By hypotenuse is AC. Don't write. Opposite root 3k. Hypotenuse 2k. K cancel root 3 by 2. Now, cos A definition. What is cos definition? See the cos definition, see the formulas. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? K by hypotenuse 2k. K cancel 1 by 2. Now up to here there is no confusion. But we are asked to find sin C and cos C also. How to find the sin C, cos C? See here. This is everywhere sine definition is same. What is sine definition? See the formula, sin theta formula, opposite by hypotenuse. But hypotenuse is always same. I explained many times, and once again I am explaining. In a triangle, right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. That is always called hypotenuse. But opposite and adjacent will change as per the data. Suppose we are taking angle A. If you are taking angle A, which side is opposite to A? This is opposite to A, opposite. So that's why I have written opposite. This is adjacent because it is along with this angle. So this is called adjacent. So this is opposite, this is adjacent. But now we are taking C angle. First time, this is the I think 4th class. So in these 4 days, first time we are using this concept. In all the previous problems, we took this angle only. With respect to this is opposite, this is adjacent, hypotenuse. Every time like that only. But in rare cases, so we need to take C angle. This angle we have to take, not this angle. So if we are taking this angle, opposite and adjacent will not be same. So these two will change. Don't write opposite and adjacent here. Okay. So C, we are taking this angle. What is sine definition? Same, opposite by hypotenuse only. No doubt in that. Everywhere it is same. Sine is everywhere opposite by hypotenuse. But which angle we are taking? C. For C, this is opposite. That is the confusion. Every time this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is opposite, this is like that only we take. But in rare cases, the first time in the total exercise, this angle is asked. See, for this angle, opposite will be this because it is opposite. Opposite, hypotenuse, no confusion. Every time this inclined line, the bigger line is hypotenuse only. That is AC. So AB is K, don't write. AC is 2K, this is 1 by 2. Cos definition. What is the cos definition? Adjacent by hypotenuse. For this angle, this is which side? Because it is opposite, this is called opposite. This is the adjacent. For this angle, because see, this is not A. A means no confusion. Already we completed. When we are discussing about this angle, this will become opposite, this will become adjacent. So what is adjacent? BC by AC. BC is root 3K by AC is 2K. KK cancel root 3 by 2. So we got all the values, substitute in the required question, that we will get the answer. So see here, up to here, many times I explained. And the sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is root 3K by hypotenuse is 2K. KK cancel root 3 by 2. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, K by 2K. K by 2K, so KK cancel 1 by 2. But here only some confusion starts, but this is not new. Already I explained many times that hypotenuse will be same, opposite and adjacent will change. Sometimes this is opposite, sometimes this is opposite. Why? If we take this angle, this is opposite. If it is opposite, automatically this will be adjacent. But when we are taking this angle, this will be opposite, this will be adjacent. That is a confusion. Followed or not, just tell me. And write down fast and substitute in the given question. Following or not? Sin A value root 3 by 2. Cos C value root 3 by 2. See here. Cos A value 1 by 2. See, sin A, sin cos A, sin C means what is the relation between them? If there is nothing, we have to take it as multiplication. Suppose wherever if you have A into B, AB means A into B. Sin A cos C means, what does it means? Sin A into cos C, like that, into. So sin A is root 3 by 2 into cos C is root 3 by 2 plus cos A is 1 by 2 into sin C is 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 4, LCM 4, numerator is 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, 1 answer. Followed or not? Tell me. Second question also asked in this. Substitute the values. All the values we know, you substitute here. What is the relation? Sin cos A cos C means cos A into cos C. That is multiplication. Substitute the values. Substitute the values and get the answer. Cos A 1 by 2. Cos C root 3 by 2. Sin A root 3 by 2. Sin C 1 by 2. 1 into root 3 by 2 into 2, 4 minus root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 into 2, 4, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, 0. Following or not? If you don't follow, tell me. Students, in this exercise, the sixth problem left, but so time may not be sufficient today. We started a little late because of some app login problem. So